What's up, guys? Impulse here. Today we're going to go over the Rabby Wallet, which is an on-chain wallet mainly used for Ethereum and other EVM chains. It covers almost every single EVM chain in the crypto ecosystem, so therefore it's the perfect wallet to get going when you want to start trading on-chain. So today we're going to go over how to create that wallet, how to bag up your seed phrase and private keys, how to swap, send, and receive funds on your wallet, and how to deposit funds on there so you can start trading, as well as bridging and adding unknown tokens. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to go to rabby.io and you're going to download your Chrome application. I suggest using Chrome or Brave because other browsers sometimes have performance issues when it comes to trading on-chain. Once you've added the Rabby wallet, it's going to show you this page. If you already have an address, you should have a seed phrase written down somewhere from previous trading with between 12 and 24 words. If not, you're going to create a new address, which is what we're going to do, and it's going to show you 12 words. You're going to make sure you write these down in the correct order, and you're not going to save it on your PC because if someone ever gets access to your PC, they can access the funds on your wallet and they can steal all of it. So once you've saved the seed phrase, you're going to click I saved the phrase. You're going to enter a password and we're going to get started. So what you also want to do to make things easier for you is to pin the Rabby wallet in the top right corner so you can always easily open it. This is what we're working with right now. To see the wallet you're using, you can always check here. You can always add more addresses, and by clicking this copy button, you will fully copy the address, which we will later use to deposit funds onto it. We're now going to deposit funds onto it and then we can get started. So for this example, I've used the Bybit website. And what you're going to want to do if you're on Bybit is you're going to go to the dashboard, you're going to go to your assets and you're going to click the withdraw button. Once you're on the withdrawal page, make sure to select Ethereum as a coin. You're going to copy paste the withdrawal address we just copied from the Rabby wallet and you're going to choose the ERC20 chain as a withdrawal chain. If you want to withdraw to any other chain like Arbitrum or Optimism, make sure to double check that your wallet actually supports these chains. Otherwise, your funds might be lost. For this example, we're going to withdraw 001 ETH and we're going to confirm everything through the security measures Bybit has given us like 2FA and the email code. Once all is said and done, the funds should be in your wallet in a couple minutes. As you can see now, the money we just withdrew from Bybit has arrived in our on-chain wallet. So what we're first going to do right now is to do a swap inside this wallet. So you're going to go to swap, going to choose Ethereum, and you're going to swap it to USDT. You can swap it to whichever amount you like, but we're just going to swap 004 ETH into USDT. Click swap, click confirm. It's going to take a minute or so to process, but once it's processed, the USDT will show up in your wallet. You can still see it's pending here. So once that's done, the funds will show up. As you can see, there's no transaction pending. So if you want to see what tokens you all have in your wallet, you're going to click here inside this region and it should show you the ETH and the USDT you just swapped. If it doesn't show you, you're gonna go over the amount you have and click this refresh button. In case a token doesn't show up in your wallet, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Etherscan, find USDT because that's the token we just transacted, and here you will be able to find the token contract. The token contract is a very important wallet address which you can use to add any unknown token into your wallet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click here, you're gonna click add token, make sure you select the right chain like Ethereum, and then you're gonna add the token address and click confirm. Here it'll show you that it found the USDT token on the E chain with $18.30 worth of USDT. You're gonna click confirm. If it's already in there by the time you add it, it'll show you token already supported. If it's not, it's just going to confirm and show off the token. So as you can see right now, our ETH is visible and our USDT is visible. For the next step, we're going to send the remaining ETH we have to another address. We're going to send this ETH to a wallet connected to our current seed phrase. So I'm also going to show you how to add extra addresses inside the same seed phrase. So in order to do that, you're going to click the current address you have and you're just going to click add new address. This is going to allow you to choose from a set of different options. You're going to choose add from current seed phrase. Then you're going to click add address and you're going to add as many addresses as you want. For the purpose of this video, I'll just add 4 new ones. Then you're going to click done. And they're going to show up inside your address list. Here, once again, in order to copy the address to send funds to it, you're going to left click this copy button. Now we're going to go back to our seed phrase number 1 wallet by clicking it, and we're going to click the send button. We're going to paste the address we just copied. It'll show you this is seed phrase wallet address number 2. Gonna click confirm. It'll show you a warning that you didn't do any transactions in the past 180 days. You're gonna click confirm because that's absolutely fine in our case. And we're gonna send 002 ETH to this wallet address. This is the basic way of sending funds on-chain from one wallet to another. Once the transaction has succeeded, we're going to go to our second wallet. It's going to take a minute or so to refresh, as always. And once the funds are in there, we're once again free to do with them whatever we want. For the purpose of this video, we're going to send them back. So how are we going to send them back? We're once again going to copy the address of seed phrase number 1. We're going to go back to wallet number 2, click send, copy the wallet address, confirm, click max. Make sure you have enough set for gas. Rabby automatically leaves enough funds for gas. MetaMask doesn't. That's why we are using Rabby over MetaMask as well. Once again succeeded, we can now go back to using wallet number 1. Another way of receiving funds on your wallet address can be through a QR code. So what you're going to do in this case is click the receive button. Choose the chain you want to receive funds on. For ERC chains, the addresses are almost always all the same. Like you can check here if you choose Ethereum. We're also going to pin this. You're going to see here OX4B5 to whatever. Going to go back. Check it for Arbitrum. It shows the same address and it shows the same QR code. So you can always use this QR code to receive funds on either your ERC20 chain as well as your Arbitrum chain. But it also doesn't hurt to double check if both addresses are the same in order to not lose any funds in the process. Another important feature for trading on chain is knowing how to bridge. So Rabby has a bridge function inside its wallet. So we're going to click this bridge function. And let's say we want to transfer funds from Ethereum to Arbitrum. We're going to select Ethereum here in the top left corner. And in the bottom left corner, we're going to select Arbitrum. We're going to transfer from ETH to ETH. So make sure in both sections you've selected ETH. And then we're going to transfer some funds from one chain to another. Gonna click bridge, gonna click confirm. This once again takes a minute or so in order for it to show up in your wallet. But once it does, you're good to go. Now when we go back to the wallet, you'll see the ETH logo and the Arbitrum logo. And when you click this, it'll show you the different amounts of ETH on the different amounts of chains you have. So we have ETH on Arbitrum, ETH on Ethereum, and some USDT on Ethereum. These are all the transactions we did, and you can properly keep following them inside the Rabby wallet because Rabby automatically shows you all the tokens available. This is a very neat feature in my opinion, and probably one of the main reasons I use Rabby to this day. If you want to ever transfer your wallet to your mobile, what you're going to do is you're going to click mobile sync, and you're going to download Rabby mobile inside your phone, and you're going to select whichever addresses you want to transfer. You want to transfer them all, you're just going to select them all. You're going to click confirm, and then you just need to scan the QR code and they'll all show up inside your mobile app without you having to copy paste sensitive private keys inside your phone or inside any messaging apps. So throughout the video, we've created a couple new addresses. You can always recover these addresses by using your seed phrase. But another way to recover all the addresses separately is by saving the private keys of each address separately. And how you do that is by clicking the wallet address you're on 2 times. So first one time inside the wallet, and a second time here. And then you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to choose backup private key. It's going to ask you to enter your password. And once you've done so, it'll show you the QR code to backup the separate address, or it'll show you the private key. And if you want to click to show it, you can just left click it here and it'll show you the private key here. That's pretty much all you need to know to start your Rabby wallet and to start your on-chain journey. Links to Rabby, Bybit, and WealthGroup will all be left in the description, so make sure to sign up if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next one.